Hello students, welcome to lecture number 9. Topic for today's session is concepts of TQM, that is Total Quality Management. I, Dr. Rohan Prabhakar Devale, welcome you all. This is online lecture series. Don't forget to subscribe. The subject is Operations and Supply Chain Management. Learning objectives for today's sessions are to study the basic concepts of Total Quality Management, to understand TQM principles, and to know the advantages of Total Quality Management implementation in any organization. We will start with overview of TQM. Total Quality Management, that is TQM, consists of organization-wide efforts to install and make permanent a climate in which an organization continuously improves its ability to deliver high-quality products and services to the customers and clients. While there is no widely agreed approach upon, total quality management efforts typically draws heavily on previously developed tools and techniques of quality control. Total quality management enjoyed widespread attention during the late 1980s and early 1990s before being overshadowed by ISO 9000, lean manufacturing, and Six Sigma concepts. There is no widespread agreement as to what total quality management is and what actions it requires of organizations. However, a review of the original United States Navy efforts gives a rough understanding of what is involved in TQM. So we will see the key concepts of total quality management efforts undertaken by Navy, US Navy in the 1980s. That includes quality is defined by customers' requirement. Increased quality comes from systematic analysis and improvement of work processes. Top management has direct responsibility for quality improvement, and quality improvement is a continuous effort and conducted throughout the organization. Total quality management is the continual process of detecting and reducing or eliminating errors in the manufacturing, streamlining supply chain management, improving the customer experience, and ensuring that employees are up to speed with the training. Total quality management aims to hold all the parties involved in the production process accountable for the overall quality of the final product or final service. Now we will see few definitions of TQM. Definition of TQM, that is Total Quality Management. So TQM is the management approach of an organization centered on quality, based on the participation of all its members and aiming at long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all the members of the organization and the society. This was definition put by International Organization of Standardization, Standard ISO 8402 1994. Another definition of total quality management, it is a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. TQM is based on all members of an organization participating in improving process, products, services, and culture in which they work. This definition was put by the American Society for Quality, that is ASQ. Now we will see total quality management principles. There are 8 principles of TQM. First is customer satisfaction. Second, employee commitment. Third principle, fact-based decision making. Fourth principle is effective communication. TQM principle number 5, strategic thinking. Then number 6, integrated system. Principle number 7, process centered. And TQM principle number 8, continuous improvement. Now we will try to understand these all 8 principles one by one. TQM principle and its description. First is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is satisfying your internal as well as external customer. The concept of internal and external customer is very nicely explained in my previous video. Next principle is employee commitment. This creates empowerment through training and suggestion mechanism. Third principle is fact-based decision making. Teams collect data and process statistics to ensure that work meets satisfaction. Next principle is effective communication. There should be an open dialogue throughout an organization, that is effective communication within the organization. Next principle is strategic thinking. Quality must be part of an organization's long-term vision, that is strategic thinking. Integrated system. A shared vision among all the stakeholders, including knowledge of and commitment of principles of quality, keep everyone in a company connected. Even suppliers are an important part of the entire system. This is the integrated system. The next principle is process center. You can deconstruct every activity into process and therefore locate and repeat the best process. Last principle is continuous improvement. That means every employee should always be thinking about how to better perform their job. So this is continuous improvement. So we can say that TQM is an extensive and structured organization management approach that focuses on continuous quality improvement of products and services by using continuous feedback. Joseph Juran was one of the founders of Total Quality Management, just like William E. Deming. Now we will see benefits of implementation of Total Quality Management. TQM as a term to describe an organization's quality policy and procedures has fallen out of favor as international standards for quality management have been developed. Various benefits are as follows. Because of total quality management, firms enjoy improved customer focus and satisfaction, increased customer loyalty and customer retention, increased in job security, improved employees' morale, enhanced stakeholders and shareholders' values, improved and innovative processes, strengthen competitive position in the market environment, adaptability to change market conditions, higher productivity, elimination of defects and waste, reduced cost and better cost management, and higher profitability in the organization. So these are various benefits because of TQM organization can get. This is the book of Simba publication, Operations and Supply Chain Management, written by myself. During my next video, we will learn the important part, that is lean management. Learning outcomes from today's lecture. We have seen the basic concepts of TQM. We have seen 8 TQM principles in detail. We have also seen various advantages of implementation of total quality management. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks from Dr. Rohan Devale. These are some references I have used to prepare this video. Thank you.